Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English learning class. Today, we are going to learn how to speak English naturally when you are at a restaurant. This lesson is perfect for beginners and anyone who wants to feel more confident speaking English in real-life situations. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to enter a restaurant, talk to the waiter, order food, ask questions about the menu, request the bill, and have a natural conversation in English. Make sure to listen carefully and repeat after me. Repetition is one of the best ways to improve your English speaking skills. Let's begin. Imagine you are walking into a restaurant. The first thing a waiter or hostess may say is, "Hello, welcome to our restaurant." You can reply, "Hello." Another common question is, "How many people are in your party?" This means how many people are dining with you. You can answer, "Just one, please," or "Table for two, please," or "There are four of us." Now let's practice. Repeat after me. Table for one, please. Table for two, please. We have a reservation. We do not have a reservation. Can we sit by the window? Can we sit outside? Excellent. After you are seated, the waiter may bring you a menu and say, "Here is your menu." You can respond by saying, "Thank you." The waiter may also ask, "Would you like something to drink?" Let's learn some useful answers. "I would like a glass of water, please." "I would like a cup of coffee, please." "I would like some orange juice, please." "I would like a soda, please." "I would like a cup of tea, please." Now repeat after me. "I would like a glass of water, please." "I would like a cup of coffee, please." "I would like some tea, please." Very good. Sometimes you may need more time to look at the menu. The waiter might ask, "Are you ready to order?" If you need more time, you can say, "I need a few more minutes, please," or "Can I have a little more time?" Let's practice. "I need a few more minutes, please." "Can I have a little more time?" Thank you. Now imagine you are ready to order. The waiter asks, "What would you like to have?" You can answer, "I would like the chicken sandwich, please," or "I would like the grilled fish, please," or "I would like a cheeseburger and fries, please." Let's repeat together. "I would like the chicken sandwich, please." "I would like the grilled fish, please." "I would like a cheeseburger and fries, please." Sometimes you may have questions about the menu. You can ask, "What do you recommend?" This means you are asking for the waiter's suggestion. Another useful question is, "What is today's special?" Let's repeat. What do you recommend? What is today's special? Is this dish spicy? Does this contain nuts? Is this vegetarian? Excellent job. Now let's practice a full conversation. Waiter. "Hello, welcome to our restaurant." Customer. "Hello, table for two, please." Waiter. "Certainly, please follow me." Customer. "Thank you." Waiter. "Here are your menus. Would you like something to drink?" Customer. "Yes, I would like a glass of water, please." Waiter. "Of course. Are you ready to order?" Customer. "Not yet. I need a few more minutes, please." Waiter. "No problem." Customer. "Thank you." Now another conversation. Waiter. "Are you ready to order?" Customer. "Yes, I am." Waiter. "What would you like?" Customer. "I would like the grilled chicken with vegetables, please." Waiter. "Excellent choice. Would you like anything else?" Customer. "Yes, I would like a salad as well." Waiter. "Certainly." Customer. "Thank you." Let's learn useful vocabulary. Menu. Menu. Waiter. Waiter. Waitress. Waitress. Reservation. Reservation. Table. Table. Bill. Bill. Tip. Tip. Drink. Drink. Dessert. Dessert. Appetizer. Appetizer. Main course. Main course. Excellent. Now let's practice some common restaurant questions. Can I see the menu, please? Can I have a glass of water? What do you recommend? Is this dish spicy? Can I have the bill, please? Do you accept credit cards? Can I get this to go? Repeat after me. Can I see the menu, please? Can I have a glass of water? What do you recommend? Can I have the bill, please? Wonderful. Sometimes there may be a problem with your order. You need to know how to explain it politely. You can say, "Excuse me, I ordered chicken, but this is fish." Or, "My food is cold." Or, "I think there is a mistake with my order." Let's repeat. "Excuse me, I ordered chicken, but this is fish. My food is cold. I think there is a mistake with my order." Excellent. Now let's learn how to compliment the food. You can say, "The food is delicious. Everything tastes great. I really enjoyed my meal. Thank you for the excellent service." Repeat after me. The food is delicious. Everything tastes great. I really enjoyed my meal. Thank you for the excellent service. At the end of your meal, you need to ask for the bill. In American English, people often say check. In many other places, people say bill. You can say, "Can I have the bill, please?" Or, "Can I have the check, please?" Repeat after me. Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the check, please? Thank you. Now, let's practice a complete restaurant conversation from beginning to end. Customer: "Hello, table for two, please." Host: "Certainly, right this way." Customer: "Thank you." Waiter: "Here are your menus. Would you like something to drink?" Customer: "Yes, I would like 2 glasses of water, please." Waiter: "Of course." Customer: "Thank you." Waiter: "Are you ready to order?" Customer: "Yes, I would like the grilled chicken with rice." Waiter: "Very good. And for the second person?" Customer: "She would like the fish and vegetables." Waiter: "Excellent choice." Customer: "Thank you." Waiter: "Enjoy your meal." Customer: "Thank you." Waiter: "How is everything?" Customer: "Everything is delicious." Waiter: "I'm glad to hear that." Customer: "Can we have the bill, please?" Waiter: "Certainly. Here you are." Customer: "Thank you very much." Waiter: "Have a wonderful day." Customer: "You too. Goodbye." Now, let's do some speaking practice. I will ask a question and you answer out loud. What would you like to drink? Pause and answer. Very good. What would you like to eat? Pause and answer. Excellent. Are you ready to order? Pause and answer. Great job. How was your meal? Pause and answer. Wonderful. Remember these important expressions. Table for two, please. I would like a glass of water. I need a few more minutes. I would like the chicken sandwich. What do you recommend? Is this dish spicy? The food is delicious. Can I have the bill, please? Thank you for the excellent service. The more you practice these expressions, the more confident you will become. Speaking English in a restaurant is a very useful skill because restaurants are common places where people communicate every day. Practice these sentences again and again until they become natural. Listen to native speakers, repeat the phrases aloud, and use them whenever you have an opportunity. Thank you for joining today's English lesson. Keep practicing every day. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every sentence you learn brings you closer to fluency. If you enjoyed today's lesson, continue practicing these restaurant conversations until you can speak them without reading. Stay motivated, keep learning, and I will see you in the next English lesson. Goodbye and happy learning.